Right, today's little exercise. Union. Well, it's got no name on the front, but it's Union on the back. That's on the front of the door, that's on the back on a night latch. I've taken all the casing and gubbins out because it's only the lock we're interested in. And the reason I want to do this one is I can't pick that yet, the front door part. I can pick the night latch quite easily. So I need to know why, and I think there's something going on inside, either less pins or some pins already set, I'm not sure, or anyway I'll show you because I'll open it up afterwards. Very light tension on this. You can imagine if there's a crisp stuck on the end of this, you'd break it if you went too hard. There we are. Fairly easy that. But what I want to do now, that camera's still rolling, let's take it apart because something's just bothering me with this at the moment. I'm assuming it comes apart from this side anyway. I don't reset it, that is. Full of bloody grease. Right, get some of these. Right, not being one to be beat. There was a star washer holding the whole gubbins inside there. Came out, the whole lot's come out in one go. That's the barrel, etc. That was all held in with another circlet. So we're back to where we were before. I don't think I've got a plug follower that diameter. Not that it matters. Strange this, bloody strange. Anyway, stop crying about it, let's find out what's going on. No, it's going to have to be this one. Might lose the pins, but see what's going on. Right. There's only 3 pin chambers. That's very interesting. No wonder it's easy to pick. Now that's learnt me something. I never knew that before. That one, let's see what the normal, yep, 3 normals, 3 chambers, done.